Chinsemo chia birongo ase eskuru yoborosi ya birongo nyako bage konyora ogosirwa kurwa ase kyombekeria Safaricom morigito wikire Tyson Manyara nigaikirana chinsamechio azatori ndio robot yorwa senchira yoboikirana
Ase skuru ya Birongo SDS Secondary School eye gotoka imeye ward ya Birongo nyalibali chache Kisii County mbatwara omagoko monene ase ogoyechakia bene ICT Computer Laboratory eyo banyora ogosiro amo na Safaricom. Computer lab eyo nigo yaigorwa bene amo na omogeni bwesiko Madam Esther Boseboli Masese oyo ole omokoreri o Safaricom na inde ole omoiborwa o Birongo egento abange bagokera ase korora omwana obo kwegerera eskuru ya inga ase okoyeretera esegeto yechisemi.
Naitwa Esther Boseboli Masese Waitito. Nimeshika hizo zote? Sawa, hapa ni nyumbani lakini nimeolewa Moranga. Citizens of the future. Citizens of the future are you sitting before me. I was also a student like you. But now I've moved into the next era where I am providing solutions for others. I want one of you. Today I spent a lot of time with Mercy. Mercy, please stand up. Martha, you're going to be the ambassador of the citizen of the future. I don't know what you will be, but you must believe, like everyone here, I want you to be the example because I sat with you. If I had the opportunity, I'd have sat with a lot more of you. But Martha told me that she wants to be bigger and better.
Esukuru eyo ya Birongo nigo yanyora chikompita emerongo 39 projector ebirogo amone chimesa emerongene na ebere amona ebinto binde ebinke.
That we have given you 39 computers. It means that we have given you a printer that copies and scans. It means that we have given you modernized your learning with a projector where you can see everything on the screen. It means that you have been equipped with 42 chairs, 42 desks. Please use this to the best of your advantage.
Madam Esther abagambi amona barai bande nigo barwa okubolia goche ase abarokigwa amone abanyakenya robuna banyare gochirenda chimashini echo ilo chinyare gokonya egesaku gyonsi.
Naende nebesegetene nasengencho yokinie skurwe ona batatu kobolia abayoli baito skali batoligeretie ntabana ase skurwe ite ya Birongo ino banyako bakwegera naende kobwa mono na batatu batane community ona liba ibo ntoko yari bagali nene asengencho gosire skurwe na kobwa mono mosinya koma gosemia abana baino asengencho yokina rero amatuko aya abangana achire digital.
Mimi hapo nataka tu nione community wanafanya biashara yao mzuri, watoto wanaenda shule na tunashirikiana kwa karibu sana na ofisi ya chief, assistant chief yetu kuhakikisha every sector, iwe hii education, iwe yetu ya security, kuhakikisha community tunashirikiana kutoa ile mbegu mbaya yote.
Ukijaribu tu eti unakuja kuiba hauna bahati, hata ule unauzia pia hana bahati. Kwa hivyo ninataka niseme nini? Hii kitu imeletwa hapa ni yetu sisi wote kama familia, kama jamii na area yote ya Nyaribari Church.
The assistant chief said no one should steal anything, so we want you to know the value of what we are putting here.
Kingo reporter Gatembe, Jewai Cliff Tyson.